Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create groups within WhatsApp. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is to go to your phone and open WhatsApp here. Now that you have opened, you will click on a new group. You will look for contacts that you want to add to this group. So let's say I want to add here, and then you will click on next. Okay, I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to create a group right now with these people, but that's the way that you can do it. The other way to create a group is by clicking on a new chat on the little notebook there, and then you will click on new group. Okay, from there you can also create a new group, and you can create these, of course, by following the steps, just adding new contacts again, and then you click on the next like we did before, and there you have a new group. So I hope this video was useful for you. I know this was a very short and quick video, but it was direct to the point, just show you how you could create a WhatsApp group in 2 ways. And if you like to see more tutorials about WhatsApp, comments down below, and I will make sure to make those requests happen in the near future. If you like this type of content, like tutorials video, please consider subscribing because I will bring more to you. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.